Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp update stuck. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your device. And in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply hold your lock screen button on the right side of your phone, and then it'll restart your phone. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and check for a stable Wi-Fi connection. In order to go ahead and do so, try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Also ensure that VPN is always turned off, and you can also try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. Also, make sure that you have at least 1 GB of storage, and the final thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and then click on your profile icon, click on personalized recommendations and clear app usage data. Once you've done that, your update should not be stuck. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.